When we do a state change, when it goes from a liquid form to a gas form, we're expanding, I'm rounding up, about 700 times. So we're going to see what happens when we take some liquid nitrogen and we put it in a 2-liter bottle and we cap it up. So remember what we did this morning? Some of us did Diet Coke and Mentos in our bottle and we capped it and made pressure. I'm going to do the same thing, kinda, but I'm going to make a lot more pressure and the bottle's going to explode. So what do we got going on today is we have your nice commercial trash basket. And what I did already is I poured some water in. When we get started, I'm going to pour some water again. What that is going to help do, remember yesterday we had dry ice and we had water in my other class and we made CO2 bubbles? Well, we're going to make a cloud with that. And that's also going to help direct the ping pong balls up too. So, one, I have liquid nitrogen. I put it in the 2-liter bottle, cap it. 2, I got water inside the trash can. I'm going to add some more to it. I already got some in there. So I'll put the 1 bottle in the waste basket, and then what I'm going to do in the other waste basket is entirely filled of ping pong balls. 1,500 ping pong balls. And we're going to see what happens when we put it all together. Sound like fun?
Yeah!
So when we get started, I want you guys to give me a countdown. Give me a countdown from 10, nice and loud. We'll get started, and Katie and I are going to work on getting it all together, and I'll keep talking about it. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Here we go.
I hope it's a big explosion. Why are you still talking weird?